Comrades Marathon e tsejwa ka lebelo mo batho ba bontshang botho ba bona e leng lebelo la mokoka leo ka tlwaelo le mathwang selemo le selemo pakeng tsa Pietermaritzburg le Durban. Lebelo le ile la phumulwa selemong se fetileng ka lebaka la sewa sa COVID-19 le selemong sena ho bile jwalo fela e leng selemo mo lebelo le ne le tshwanela ho keteka dilemo tse lekgolo le qadile. Bao ba ile hapa lebelo lena dilemong tsa ho feta ebile karolo ya lebelo le lekgutshwane la dikilometara tse 2.2 ho tloha holong ya toropo Pietermaritzburg ho ya dikantorong tsa Comrades ileng Comrades House.
It was great fun, but also bring back a lot of memories. And when Chariots of Fire was playing at the City Hall, I was getting goosebumps because that was also the direction that I ran when I won in 1991. It was a down run.
When I won in 93, it was also a down run, so I can remember standing at the City Hall. But obviously it was dark. Today it was light. And I wasn't being crushed like you normally get crushed at the start of a proper Comrades, you know, with all those people behind you. Because when I won, I obviously had a seeding, so I was right in the front with all the people crushing from behind, and today it was much more fun.
Ke itumella gore ebe ke lefa ka tsatsi leno le ke bona batho ba ileng gore ke ne ke sa ba itse ke ba itse fela maina a bone ke utlwela ka bone ba bangwe ba ileng gore ke ne ke ba bona ka go ba lebelela mo televisioneng mme ke tsatsing lena ke itumetse gore be ke ba bone ka namana.
Mokgatlo wa Comrades Marathon o tshepa ha lelo ena e tla kgothatsa Dimathi tse ding ho ka kenela lebelo.
It's disappointing in 2020 when we had to cancel the first time, but to have had to cancel the race in our centenary year really came as a tremendous blow. But we decided to go ahead with our celebrations because we are, of course, 100 years today, and that's, a milestone.
Lebelo la monongwaha mo Dimathi di tlang ho romela dinako tsa tsona le tla matho ka la 13 kgweding e tlang. Mookotaba wa lona ke ithemba e leng se bolelang tshepo ho kgothatsa Dimathi ho se fellwe ke tshepo le ha empa COVID-19 e na le diphephetso tse matla ho Dimathi.